Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are all having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of unboxings here. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, jewelry, and everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all don't forget, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and make sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. Now, as you can see, today we have the May 2020 Mint Mongoose. Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription and you receive 3 pieces of jewelry every month. It is $15.99 and it is always going to have a value of at least $40 or more. I do have a coupon code that I will put down below along with a link to Mint Mongoose if you'd like to check them out. And you also get to select, this is one thing I like with it being jewelry, you get to select your metal preference, whether you like gold, silver, or rose gold. I do think that that is really nice that they offer that. So let's get in here and see what we got for May 2020. I believe I told her silver for my preference. I do like rose gold, but I believe I told her for the subscription silver. One thing I think that is so sweet is she always does include a Werther's original candy with your subscription. And we are now starting to get, I really, really like this. The owner is starting to tell us about each piece and things like that. And this is telling us, okay, so I obviously follow them on Instagram, and this is actually telling us that this lets you know, it's showing some of the different Instagram like stories where there were polls, and that she's listening to her subscribers and what they want and what they want to see in the subscription. So I think that is amazing. All right. I do want to say thank you to Mint Mongoose and to Helena, the owner, for sending this to me. I do get this for a review and I love sharing this with you guys. I think it is so adorable. It is got the wax seal there, which is just, to me, something that just is very classy. So let's get this open and take a look. All right, so when you first open that, there is always a card that says thank you, and then it says yay, it's here. All right, so let's read what she has here about May. So it says, May, the month of flowers, one of my lifelong loves. So I knew May was going to be a flowery month in the way of jewelry pieces I was going to create for all of you lovely ladies. What I didn't know was that I was going to What I didn't know was what flower I was going to go with. I truly love them all. So I asked our Instagram followers, and Lilies of the Valley snagged the win. So that's part of the back here. I do remember voting. And in the set, it says, I wanted the necklace in the set to be a light and airy, but also meaningful, as is my goal with all of our pieces. Flowers have served as a means of light in some of my darkest days. To me, they represent beauty, power, and resilience. So the dangly nature of the flowers featured on these pieces, in addition to being an accurate representation of the crowd fave Lilies of the Valley, was intended to represent the gentle strength these and all flowers represent. And then she says, thank you for the ability to turn meaning into jewelry and share it with all of you. It means so much and gives my life so much zest, along with my 2 crazy kiddos. It is only because of each and every one of you that we are able to shed so much light and smile together worldwide. You are all so very, very appreciated. Love, Helena, the smiling face behind Mint Mongoose. She is just such a sweetheart. So Mint Mongoose does also have, just so you know, another subscription, their Mint Mongoose Black, where you receive 4 pieces of jewelry every month. And I believe that one is $24.99 or $29.99. So just know that if you want some more jewelry, more than 3 pieces, they do offer that as well. All right, so everything always is wrapped up. We do have one, it looks like we have a ring here. So let's take a look and see what else we got in here. So here we have earrings, and there is always the little tag. And just so you know, you can actually go onto the website and she has a shop. So if you spend $40 or more in the shop, then your next month, your next subscription is free. So there is that to keep in mind. So this is a pair of earrings. Okay, so I got the earrings out, and there are little backings if you want to use them, but they're little dangly. Lilies of the Valley. You can kind of see here the detail. So beautiful and cute. I love the simplicity and the daintiness of these. These are adorable. All right, and then we have our necklace. Let's get it open. All right, so we have the necklace out, and it matches the earrings perfectly. You can see there are 5 of the flowers, and it's just so beautiful. One thing I really, really love too is all of the jewelry as well, especially like with necklaces, it does come with extenders. So you can actually get it, you know, if it's not quite sitting where you want it to, you can adjust it and have the necklace sit exactly where you would like it to. And I think this is just really, really pretty. And then we have the ring as our third piece, which looks like it may be like petals or vines. One thing too, when it comes to Mint Mongoose that I really do like is all of the pieces, in my experience, when it comes to like rings, are adjustable. So like this one, you can see here, you can adjust if you need to. So I do think that that is really nice. Let me take this ring off and put this one on. I think it is really, really pretty. I love it. It's like simple and it's just really pretty. And I think it goes well with the other pieces in this collection. So that was the May 2020 Mint Mongoose. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put that link and promo code down below as well for you to go over and check out Mint Mongoose, save a little bit of money, and get some beautiful, beautiful pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.